gonna hit hard.
What Illinois winter usually means is a mild inconvenience. It's hoodie weather, you know, just cold enough you can't do stuff. Well, according to the weatherman, that's going to change, and that's going to change kind of drastically. Oh my, his ass. What they're calling for is 14 to 15 inches of snow on Monday. Around here, we get 2 inches of snow. It's a blizzard. This is on the wants list. This unknown Yamaha SS 440. Here it is. Here's the interesting thing. Let me get her uncovered here out of its little shed. Let's walk around this thing. Now, full disclosure, the only time I've had anything to do with a snowmobile, I was a little kid and I rode on the back of a John Deere, and it made it out in the field and died. Never ran again, and that was my one and only snowmobile experience. Now, looking around it, this was free. This literally got dumped here. So I'm not expecting much. Now, the one good thing was it's got a key. It appears to have a track, because I don't know much, but I know those are necessary equipment for one of these. That's neat. A little place to put your gloves. Owner's Manual, 1979. Jeez, this thing's older than I thought it was. It's got 458 miles on it. Is that a lot for a snowmobile? I don't know. Story I got with the hood was somebody went to haul it in a truck backwards and the wind caught it. So it ain't really no count. It's got 2 skis on it. I know those are important too. It's got the belt, because this is as delivered condition. The boots are cracked. See, that's what I was afraid of right there. This is why this might not turn into anything, because the last thing I want to do with this is buy parts. So I did spray ether in this sucker. Gave it first pull. Wah, bah, 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 came right to life. That boot looks not good, but it's all we really need. I just want to have fun with this thing at least once before we take this engine out and put it in something neater. So yeah, this is my first time really looking over one of these things closely. It appears complete. You don't need a brake. You're in the snow, you just fall off, it's soft. The area we live in, these things are not common. People don't have them because it never snows. This is a whole lot of firsts for me. I'm learning as I go here, but what I'm seeing so far is looking kind of promising. 'Tis the next day. Let's go out back and I'll show you what we got for hopefully getting a snowmobile running. So we got some things here. We went to shopping last night. There's some carbon choke. These are like $4 and they're the handiest damn things. Lee, are you gonna help? What up, Lee? Why are you being so nice today? What do you want? That's the next question. You're up to something, bruh. Watch me. We'll just kind of, you know, give that thing a good old-fashioned hose out, clean her up. Okay, so I know nothing on the backstory of this, but the spark plugs are brand new and the carburetor's off. So this thing was giving somebody fits. I don't know. We're gonna get the other plug out, take this top of this air shroud off, get all the mouse nest out of there because it's probably full. Because if this thing does pop off, we're gonna be riding it. Okay, not one mouse nest down in there, which is impressive. So we'll put that cover back on, dribble a little fuel in it, and just start pulling. The name of this game is low effort. See what I mean? It wants it. Well, folks, of course that was not recording, but as you can see, it came alive and it made some noises. A lot of smoke. I don't know if it's priming the fuel up. Probably not. That'd be too easy, wouldn't it? I don't know, but this pump pumping. I don't know what it's running on. It's not running on my tank, so. Got tail lights. I don't know how to shut it off. We didn't think this far ahead. Okay. That works. You know what that means, folks? This crap's got to move, and we got to see if she'll rip. I think it's running off its own fuel. I don't know. It's gotta be, right? It's time for the maiden voyage. I don't know if these things will even go on dirt. But we got a clear shot, so let's see what goes down here. Okay, well, it made it far out in the field and died. So, I feel like that's going to be the theme of this one. Getting far from the house or where we need to be, and it dies. Something is very, very wrong with the clutch. Like it's popping and banging. I'm thinking carburetor is probably the least of our worries. But I mean, it moved. It did it. So I'm going to hook the trailer to the van. See if we can't drag it up the house. Between this and that, we're ready for the damn snow. Bring it on. I think a smart person would take a video of this thing running right now and throw her on Marketplace for a couple $100. A smart person. Not me, though. I'm more of a wait till it snows and let's go blow it up being stupid and have a good time. That's my business sense. Folks, the snowmobile lost spark. But we got side by sides and boats.
Another sled.
I got a car hood.
I got another strap. It may not be very long, but we can hook it to the boat. That's a lot better with the 30 footer. You ain't going fast.
Oh god.
You want to go back there?
Don't, yeah, just.
What do you hold on to? Oh God. Oh God. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'll try not to cry.
Well, you love side by side. This is kind of like side by side. And it just lean to the inside of any turn. Yeah. Here we go. Inside.
Oh my God. Woo. Holy shit.
It's getting real.
Can you ride comfortably?
Bro.
It's gonna be perfect.
This is a non-verbal contract. No one will sue Nasty Customs if someone dies.
Everyone say aye.
All right.
All right, Brennan, go.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to carve it.
I'm glad you gave me them goggles. Just fucking 4-wheel drive. We're gonna kill him. Slingshot.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh.
Babe, I'm gonna have to get on that thing.
Yes. Make sure you wear your glasses.
This thing's got a lot of whip too.
He is gonna hit hard.
I'm next. I'm so. It's like, where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Dude, that middle donut.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. I think you're gonna have to lay on it.
He's going. Good.
Now I'm ready.
Listen to that.
Oh my! He's getting. Oh God! His ass has.
Oh!
It was an 8-second ride. Fuck yeah, I'm good.
Better than the boat. Yes.
That's got a lot more scary to it.
Because they turn so
The
hard.
shitty thing about the boat is it's actually kind of stable. Hold that up again.
Oh no.
Part numbers are flying.
Darn.
I couldn't figure out why it turned to the right so good, and it just did not want to do shit going to the left.
Here she comes with homemade cake. She's got to feed all these people. Ducks are having fun.
Making that whole thing of your boiling water thing and putting hot chocolate in there and bringing hot chocolate up for.
Big thanks to everybody who came out today. We had a lot of fun. No thanks to a snowmobile. But still, like, she's freezing. I'm freezing. The camera's fogging up. Bub, he stayed inside so he didn't get it. You just got out of your cone, brother. You got to take it easy. But, yeah.
Flip it around.
From us to you and everybody, thank you. That was a lot of fun. And nobody died. Nobody died. We're not going to get sued. I fucking tried. The clutch is stuck on this piece of shit. And about the time I can get it to start doing the thing, the damn engine cuts out. Otherwise, snowmobiles they're not for me. So here's where we'll end the episode finally, folks. It's quite a few days after. It's still sitting there. No one will pick it up. We found the problem, though. Here's the drive belt. And if you kind of keep turning it, it looks like that. And a little... So it's got some chews. Now, there's no possible way I had anything to do with that. That and this belt's probably original. But if you're really dedicated and you want to see this thing rip snow again, I think it'll do it with a new belt. But I'm not going to spend the money on this thing. So if you're seriously interested, email me at nastycustoms5150@gmail.com and I'll give you an address to send one of these to. Because otherwise, it's kind of the end of the line for this snowmobile. Because it's not worth putting money in for me. Because we called this a blizzard, and to us it is a blizzard. But that's probably about as much snow as we're going to get. This is the most snow we've had in at least 5 years. So... it's not really worth putting money in a snow machine when I got enough other projects going. So, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have as much fun as I did. We'll catch y'all on the next one.